Hello friends, today we are going to understand the chapter printing a document. Okay, and this chapter is not too much lengthy. This chapter is very small, and in this chapter we will learn that what is the print properties, how to take a printout of your soft copy. Okay, and what is the shortcut key of print command. I hope you already know that. Okay, and what are the settings that we can apply for printing a document. Okay, so let's see it here. And this is the document I have already opened here. Okay, as you can see, this is the document. And let's go to the print settings. Click on this office button. Here is the print option. Okay, as you can see, when I bring the mouse cursor here, it shows the shortcut key of print command. Okay, it's showing here control plus P. Okay, so control plus P is the shortcut to print a document. So here the print, quick print, preview. So let's see the print. When I click the print option, you see a print dialog box here. Okay, and so many options here. And let me tell you this thing, friends, that the printer is not attached here in this computer. Okay, so that is why no printer is showing here. Okay, let me show you. When I click here, as you can see, no printer is attached here. Okay, so this is the layout of that print window, and these are the properties. Let's see the properties. By default the layout is portrait. Okay, and yes, you can change into the landscape as well. As you can see, the changes portrait and landscape. Okay, and there are some advanced settings available. As you can see, the A4 size, the normal size we print of a document is A4 size. Okay, yes, obviously we can change the print size as well. And here is the some radio buttons are there, like all, current page, pages. All is that the whatever the pages are there in your document, like 10 or 20 pages, if you select this radio button, all the pages will be printed after the giving the print command. In the current page, the page you are currently working. Okay, so suppose you are working on a 4th number page or any page you are right now working. So if you select this and if you click on OK, so only that page will be print out. And in the pages option, you can select the desired range of the pages which will be printed, like 1 2 5. So if 10 pages, suppose 10 pages are there, so but you need only 5 pages to be printed, first 5 pages, so you can always give first to 5. So this way you can print the pages. Okay, and there are scaling A4 letter size. Okay, so this way you can take the printout. Very easy process of getting. And here are some advanced setting as well, like print drawing, create in Word, print background, colors and images, print document properties, print hidden text. So you can always use these all tabs, right? So this is how to use the print option. Okay, and if I show you the print preview is very simple. What the document you want to print, you can just take a look before printing, right? And here you can see other options like margins. You can set the margins like normal, narrow, moderate, different settings. It customize your document. Okay, so orientation like portrait and landscape. Let me show you this way, right? As you can see, so this is the settings of the printing. Very easy steps, and this is the actual thing which is there in the chapter. Okay, how to take the print and what are the settings. Close button here is here, and you can click on this and the print preview section will be closed. Okay, so this is the process of having the printout, some changes in the print setting. So that's it for this chapter. Okay, so just practice it, learn it, and read the chapter. Okay, whatever is there in the chapter, but everything in the chapter is there. I have explained here and I haven't shown you the options, right? So thank you friends, we'll meet in the next class. Till then, take care of yourself.